Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today I'm doing a drugstore bold fall makeup tutorial. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. I prime my eyes. So for eyeshadow palette, I am going to use the e.l.f. by Size eyeshadow. So I have is the pumpkin pie one, and I also have is I Love You Latte. So these two I'm going to.
So for the crease, I have my crease brush right here. So I'm using the I Love You Latte bite size. So I'm going to go use this shade right here, and it's gonna go onto my crease.
Next, for the outer corner, I'm going to go to the pumpkin pie bite size, this pumpkin pie, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Next, I'm taking my shader brush and I'm going to spray my shader brush just like that. And I'm going in the pumpkin pie eyeshadow palette again, and I'm going to go use this beautiful sparkling shade. I'm going to swatch it for you so you guys can see how pretty it is. For eyeliner, I'm using NYX Eye Pencil in the shade Black. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Curl Bounce Collossal Mascara. This is the one. So I'm not going to apply no falsies today, but if I were to wear falsies, I'm going to tell you what I will normally use is the Ardell Wispies. So I'm not going to use any falsies today because I want to do something natural and whatnot, but I definitely will apply falsies during the holidays. But right now for the fall, I want to do without falsies. Just because I'm using my natural lashes, and the Maybelline Collossal Mascara definitely like volumizes my lashes and makes it pop great. So I really love that mascara. Well, but anyways, let's move on to the skin. So for primer, I am going to use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Use it. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation in the shade Light 240W. So I'm using this Light 240W, using this powder foundation by e.l.f. Okay, so for concealer, I'm using the NYX Bare Concealer Serum in the shade Golden. For blush, I'm using the Milani Powder Palette. So I'm gonna mix these two shades together. For bronzer, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Bronzer, and this one is in the shade 250 Light. For highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Bright Light Highlighter in the shade Strobe Champagne. So it has a cushion applicator. I'm just going to crank it up. For the lips, I have the Maybelline Vinyl Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lippy. So this is the color, how it looks like. It's definitely formulated color for now. Really like it. To set this entire makeup, I have is the Catrice Long Lasting Prime and Fine Spray. This one just really does the job well. You can find this at Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this drugstore bowl for glam makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here. And I'll see you in my next video.